Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be going over how to install Visual Studio Code on a Mac. If you're looking for how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows, I have videos covering that as well. I'll leave a link in the description below. This will be a pretty short video, but I wanted to cover it for anyone that needed help with it. Alright, let's get started. First, let's open up our web browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, but you may be using Firefox or Safari. The easiest way to get to the VS Code download page is to search in Google for VS Code, and then just click download. Once you are on the download page, you should see a button that says Mac. Just click it and the download will start. In Google Chrome, you'll see the download in the bottom left corner. If you are using Safari, you'll have to click allow, and then you'll see the download in the top right corner. If you're using Firefox, you'll see the download in the top right corner as well. Back in Google Chrome, I'm going to open the zip file that was downloaded. This will take you to wherever the zip file was extracted, and you should see the application Visual Studio Code. Now we're just going to drag that over to our applications. Once that is complete, we can open up Launchpad and launch VS Code. The first time we run it, we'll have to click Open, and VS Code runs with no problems. If you are having problems installing VS Code on your machine, leave a comment below and I'll see if I can help you out. If you found this content helpful, please click the like button so that others can find the video more easily. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.